Okay, let's come over and look at the NQ. And the NQ has just come up and hit its 123.6 extension based on the same idea off the low. Let's just go back here. Again, A, B, C, right into that 1.0. It was also a direct hit on the 786 retrace of the move up off the April low in the NQ, and we're bouncing quite strongly. So exactly the same methodology being applied to each index. There's the countdown into the low. There's the spike and reversal. Here's the resistance. We've got through the first lower level of resistance that I put on that chart yesterday. I'm now looking up here to 69.90 through 7084, and we've got to get through that level of resistance next in the NQ. And then coming down to the day trading chart and just looking at the subwaves off the bottom and giving the impulse the benefit of the cat. Now this is the 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm looking higher this morning in the NQ if this count's going to continue. So we can get a pullback here to around 68.77 and then a push up to 7015 in the NQ is what I'm looking for this morning. Then again, down the YM, exactly the same basis, okay? So A, B, C. In the case of the YM, we did not get down to the 1.0 extension, but we did hit the 786 retrace of the move up off the April low. That was proportioned as an A, B, C into the 138.2. A, B, C back. I'm looking up again. The key level in the YM, 25.845, that we need to see taken out as sooner rather than later, really. There's the count up so far. You can see in terms of critical levels, we've taken this out and we're just about to take this out. So looking good so far. Then down to the hourly chart, there you go. This alt count, by the way, is gone. That's history. So I'll take that off the charts this morning. And I'm looking up here next. And then day trading, I've not done it on the YM. I monitor it on something else on the Dow Jones in industrial futures contract that I have.